the investment that Microsoft is making in field service technologies is huge, and some of those innovative features, those innovative capabilities that we're seeing that are pretty groundbreaking are, IoT integrations. So being able to integrate with any device that we have access to, that we can pull into the system and integrate into the system. We can monitor things like temperature thresholds or performance, just general performance metrics to see in real time if we need to address any above or below any scenarios. So if we have servos that are overheating, or if we have devices that are out there that are giving us some return data that's not ideal or not optimal, that's where we can actually be more proactive about our service models. So when I talk about proactivity in service, it's not just being able to effectively set up scheduled maintenance and those cycles and the patterns of service throughout a given calendar year. It's also taking things to the next level and plugging into these discrete devices, these assets that you have in the field, and seeing the return data in real time. And if anything is out of whack, we can actually configure and set certain thresholds. If anything is above or below a certain line in terms of performance, we can auto-generate asset alert, IoT alerts. We can auto-generate work orders from that. So, being able to proactively service your customers in the field, at an asset or device level is huge. So that really is the future. That really is, well, I shouldn't even say future, that's the now for Microsoft, is being able to use Azure capabilities and Dynamics 365 connected field service to monitor devices in the field and let our techs, let our teams know when things are reaching critical thresholds or points. And customers, and the beauty of this is customers might not even know that there's an issue just yet, but if we have this information and this data in real time, we can get ahead of production downtime. We can get ahead of service downtime for our customers. So that the whole proactive service model is the name of the game. Two more pieces here. We do have geofencing. Obviously we saw the geocoding and mapping and plugging into the Bing and Google Maps APIs to be able to see where we're going and all of our mapping and everything, but we can take that to another level as well and set up particular geofences for accounts. And we can even roll that into time entry or cataloging time spent or time on site to be able to automate the process of entering specific zones and tabulating the entrance and exits from these zones against our time entry logs, which is pretty awesome. There is some configuration to that, and obviously we have to be mindful of how we service our customers and some patterns across our tech teams, but it's pretty cool to see that in action. And then advanced billing, we can set up invoicing schedules, we can set up, we saw like hourly rates and resource specific rates, but we have additional capabilities to be able to set, not just different billing accounts, but different billing types and things like that.